Here's how you can get the Squid Game skin for free in Fortnite. If you don't know, Fortnite just launched its official Squid Game collaboration, bringing a brand new reload map to the game. This map features a few iconic locations from the show, including a labyrinth and the classic red light, green light arena. As a part of the collab, Fortnite is actually adding a ton of cosmetics to the shop. This is actually including 12 unique skins, like the game's guard right here, with 3 helmet styles being the circle, square, and triangle, the game's manager, a glass bridge survivor, and a Dachi defender. All of these allow full customization of player numbers and patches. There's also 8 customizable default skins right here with the same options. Also included in the overall set, you're going to get 2 back blings, you're going to get the Dachi botch, and the delicious Dalgona. Not to mention, those have customizable shapes, being umbrella, star, circle, and triangle. You'll also get a piggy bank emote that is traversal, and 3 Squid Game wraps. Now, if you would like to get free Squid Game cosmetics, you need to go ahead and make sure you have Twitch drops enabled and watch Twitch streams in the Fortnite category this weekend to get 30 minutes to earn the following. If you watch for 30 minutes, you'll get a games banner icon. If you watch for an hour, you'll get a good game spray. If you watch for an hour and a half, you'll get the guarded game spray. And 2 hours, you'll actually get the tug flip emote gun. There's also an upcoming cup for the Squid's Ground Cup on the Slurp Rush map, which is a duos tournament. If you earn 8 points, you'll get the Masterful Stare Spray, and the top scorers are actually going to get the Games Guard skin for completely free. That is essentially how you can get the Games Guard skin for free. But on top of that, I'm also going to be gifting the entire Squid Game set to some of my subscribers just to celebrate the recent success and the launch of this brand new update. To enter in that, just leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, comment your Epic Games username so I can go ahead and message you and gift you, and of course, join our Discord for an extra giveaway. The link to do so will be in the pinned comment. Have a great rest of your day.